Hello everyone out there. Very soon we are going into the end of November and moving to Christmas season in the year 2015. And this week we are going to cover on the FCPO as usual from 23rd up to the 27th in the month November 2015. Alright, the February active month on last Friday closed at a price of 2289, and that's 2,289 ringgit per ton in the FCPO prices trading in Busan, Malaysia. Alright, as you can see on the chart here, we are starting off with the weekly chart this week. Alright, as you can see here. Alright, on the weekly chart itself, it is quite clear that the market actually fails to jump higher than the EMA 200 average line, which is shown here, and the market is still hovering between this part, which is the support at 2230 up to the top side of about 2420. All right, 2220 to 2420. That's about 200 ticks range where the market is moving sideways on a weekly chart. All right, this week, pay attention if the market goes down, and most likely on the weekly chart is going to touch base at 2230 as we mentioned earlier. All right, for the weekly chart, let us take a look at day chart here. All right, day chart shows that the market was gradually trading lower last week. All right, as the market closed at 2289 on last Friday. All right, obviously this week, as I mentioned earlier, we have seen EMA 420 averaging line crossing up here, and it is highly possible for the market to touch base and continue to move down at 2,230 ringgit range in the FCPO prices. All right, then of course on the top side, which was formed here on last week, that should be the very strong resistance at 2340 area in case the market goes up. All right, or even here as a first resistance, the reversal sign here. All right, it's a 2320. So this week on the FCPO prices, we actually forecast the market is more prone to downside, but if it moves up, then the resistance immediately will be coming up at this level of 2320, and if the market goes down, possibly we shall be targeting at 2220. So at least initially we are going to see a 100 tick range in the early part of this week. Only after midweek, if the market breaks up and reverses up, or when it comes down here, then we shall see how it's going to move while we take another forecast into December. All right, so this is Dawong here from Oriental Pacific Futures based in Malaysia, one of your favorite market opinion leaders based in busanmarketplace.com. Thank you for staying with us, and I wish you have all a very profitable week ahead, and do not forget to come back and listen to our weekly videocast to help you trade better. Thank you very much. Bye bye.